Hello, good morning, very good morning,
Good morning, sir.
a very good
Good
morning,
morning, sir.
very good morning, guys. So, yeah, so everyone turn on your camera, we'll start our class. Today is the last day of this chapter, okay? And remember one thing, there won't be any class after 30 May, okay? Remember,
After when?
July 31st May, okay? So, it'll be holiday. Uh, I guess Prithia got just now from the bed, I believe. Okay,
No.
so we were doing some question. Okay, I'll do one question for you. Okay, so this is the question that we're gonna do right now. Okay, can you read this? Can anybody read this?
The
Just not read
product,
this.
the product of digits of a two-digit number is 12. When 9 is added to
Hmm.
the number, the digits interchange their places. Determine the number.
Interchange, that the same thing. That same thing which we did in the linear equation, na? That to one's place and tens place, then number, we have to create a number. That
But
in
is
the
it
same
linear
way we have
equation
to
or
do.
quadratic equation? This is a linear equation or quadratic
It's
equation?
it's a quadratic equation, but we and like quadratic equation is in the end we have to make quadratic equation. Okay, but here what we have to do, we have to make first linear equation and substitute, and in the last you will get only quadratic equation. So how we will solve this? So for example, it is given the product of two-digit number is 12. Okay, okay. I'll do one question, then I will let take your turn. Okay, so let the number at one's place
Be wide.
be x and let the number at ten's place be y.
X.
So ten's place I have y and one's place I have x. And the first equation, so Bethel, what will be the first line? Till here, what equation you can take from this given question? Can you tell me? What is written, Bethel? Unmute your mic, say.
What
Say.
what do I have to say?
You have to make equation from this first line. So first of all, read what is written.
The product of digits of a two-digit
Uh,
number is
hmm,
12.
yeah. So what are the two digits we have?
X and Y
And the product means
into
so, x into y. And is means what is the meaning of is?
is equals to.
And well. So this is the first equation. Simple. Did you understand? Okay. Now when 9 is added to the number, so first we have to make the number. So I will make a number. So first I will make original number. So what will be the original number, Simeon? What will be the original number? Like in the linear equation, how we make number? Jeshron, what is the original number, beta?
10y plus x.
Yes, good. And y. And Joshua, what will be the interchange number or reversing number? What is it? Reversing number? What is reversing number, beta? Joshua?
Sir,
Yeah, tell. Interchange
sir,
number
it's
means? Hmm.
so x plus 10y.
No. Interchange or reversing number is the number in which the digits changes their places. So like y will go now once and x will go now tenth. So
Sir, how do you
interchangeable number.
understand?
Yes,
So
sorry.
will it be 10x plus y?
Yes. Good. Yes, Simeon is saying something. Please.
How do you get it? I don't understand.
Yeah, I'll explain you one more time. It's okay. So let me explain first, then I will explain one more time because Abigail also just now joined. Abigail, you are very. It's not
Yeah,
fair.
sir. Yeah, sir. Sorry, I didn't see the time.
Okay, so if you will add the number, so like this is the original number, and if you will add
10x plus y.
9 into it, then you will get 10x. Okay, so now you have to solve.
First is write 10y plus x.
Yes. Zero.
So first you have to write.
Sorry.
First write 10. You need 10y plus x.
Minus plus 0. Now dividing each term by 9. So yes, plus 0. Calculate this to the right side. So y equals to x. Substitute the value x x where this where now I will explain it to you again one more time. Now, guys, everyone, please pay attention. Okay. So first of all, the question says, Abigail, please read the question.
The product of two digits of a two-digit number is 12. When 9 is added,
So, because we did in the linear equation that question, linear equation that ones place, tens place, wala question we did na, in linear equation previous chapter. Do you remember? So, in the same way, we have to do it like the same way. Okay. So like tens place, I'm taking as 5, and ones place, I'm taking as x. Okay. Like ones place be x and tens place be 1. Okay. Simeon? Okay. Now we have to make the original. So how we make original number? Because y is on tens place, so we multiply y with 10, so 10y. And the x is ones place, so I will multiply x into 1, which is x. So it becomes original number is 10y plus x. Did you understand? Simeon? Now, interchange their place means the x will go at y place and the y will go at x place. Okay, so this will either become interchangeable number or reverse number. Understood? Now, how will you expand this, Simeon? How will you expand this? Like we, yeah, say, you are saying correct.
Expand like?
Expand like we expand this as 10y plus x, na?
Yeah, this will be 10x plus y.
10x plus y. So it is followed. Now, what is the sentence written when 9 is added to the number? The digits interchange their places. So when I will add 9 into it, Okay, so this is the number. I add original number. I add 9 into it, then it becomes interchange number, which is reverse number. Okay, then I solve it. Okay, and then I got y is equals to x minus 9. I put the y value into this. Then I got this equation. Now you have to use quadratic formula to find the value of x. Did you understand, guys? No.
Yes.
Everyone understood? Abigail, quickly write it down and find the value of x and send it to me in the chat.
Okay, sir.
Ashton, did you understand anything? Yes, Joshua.
Oh, what's the
Disconnect
number then?
the Bluetooth. Peter.
Sir, we
Sir,
can
can you
use
hear
middle
me?
term splitting or only quadratic formula.
Quadratic. Yes, Joshua.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I use a different method, sir.
Which method?
Okay, so I use the tens place is x and ones place is y. So xy is equal to 12. Original number is 10x plus y. Reverse number is 10y plus x. So that means 10y plus x equal to 10x plus y plus 9. So I got 9y minus 9x is equal to 9. So y equal to y minus x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 plus x. So x into 1 plus x is equal to 12. X square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. And I got x as 3 and y as 4. So number is 34.
Okay, no problem. Joshua, what you are asking?
So why do we need the reversing number?
Because it says that if 9 is added to the number, the digit interchange their places. Means the x will go at y place and the y will go at x place. That's why. Question? You write down. Tell me when you're done. Quickly do it. Tell me when you're done.
Sir, I'm still solving.
Mm-hmm. Solve it. Solve it. Abigail done?
No, sir. I'm just trying to. Sir, will we get a whole number for the answer of x?
Whole number will be there.
Yes, sir. Whole number.
Sir, I got 9 minus root of 129 by 2.
You won't be correct.
Sir, you did wrong way.
What wrong way, beta?
So the equation can't be factorized when middle term splitting.
9 and 12. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, you did wrong.
Right.
Minus x.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
x can witness.
Yeah, correct. This is also correct.
Okay, done.
Sir, I'm still solving again. I got the answer. I'm sending it.
Yes, I did too. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. I will give you one more question. Before that, we'll start our uh, doubt class. So we'll check with you guys. Yeah. So yeah, doubt class. So please give me doubts. Just has some doubt. Please ask me just one. Just one. Please ask me doubt. Please.
With the last question on yesterday's homework.
The sum of two numbers is 15. This one. This one. This one. Okay. So we'll do this. Everyone also do this right now with me. If you didn't complete your homework, I believe.
I completed the homework, sir.
Yeah, that's where I believe. Simeon also did, I guess. Right now, he's telling me that. Yeah,
I also completed the homework.
yeah, I know, I know. I saw your.
I already did
Okay,
this.
so the sum of two numbers is 50. So we'll take that thing same that the number be x and the another
Why?
number be y. Okay, so it is given the sum of two numbers like x plus y is equals to 50. Okay, and there is reciprocal is like 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equals to 3 by 10. Okay, so what will I do? I will check this equation so it becomes y minus 15 and I will put the value into this. Just now, did you understand? No.
Not y minus 15. 15 minus y.
Oh, my bad.
What
It will
happened
be
to sir's math?
minus. What happened? This happens when I teach you, everyone. Okay, so 15 minus y plus 1 upon y is equals to 3 by 10. Okay, now I have to make LCM. So I will multiply this both up and down. So it becomes 1 into y upon 15 minus y multiply by y. Okay, plus 1 into 15 minus
y
upon 15 minus y
into y.
into. Did you understand? Jashwan, Joshua, Simeon, Abigail, what I'm doing? Jashwan, what problem you find in this question?
This is where I got stuck. I was not sure how to do the multiplication.
Okay, now you understood what I did? See, I make the denominator same. Here, because both the denominator are same, I make the denominator same. Even I multiply this y into both the terms inside of it. So y into y is y square minus y square, and y into 15 is 15y. Okay, so it will come as 15 y here. Okay, so now this plus y and this minus y will cut, and now again it will become cross multiply. So it will become 10 into 15 is equals to 3 into 15y minus y square. Okay, now this will go and it will divide. It will become 10 into 15 upon 3 is equals to 15y minus y square. This and this will cut. Okay, it will become y square minus 15y plus 50 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the equation which I got. Just from there, you didn't understand. Ask me.
The cross multiplication part got me confused always.
Here of this here. Which part? Here or here?
Both, sir.
Okay, so here I am doing to make the denominator same. So what I am doing, the second fraction denominator is multiplying with the numerator as well as the denominator of the first fraction. Like this y is multiplied with this one, and this y is multiplying with this denominator also. Understood? In the same way, first fraction denominator, see here, first fraction denominator, see on the board. First fraction denominator is multiplying with the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction. So 15 minus y is multiplying with this 1, and 50 minus y is also multiplying with this y. Okay, so why I did this? So that the denominator can become same. So here you can see that because both the denominator are same, I just multiply this y with both the terms. So y into y is y square, y into 15 is 15y, and plus y plus 15 minus y. So plus and minus it becomes 0. And then now the whole term is in the division form. When it will go to the right hand side, it will multiply like this. And this also division form, it will go to the left hand side, it will multiply. Now this is multiplication with this. So when it is multiplication with this, when it will go to the other side of equals to become divide, then I solve it and I got the equation. Understood? No.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you explain the switching to the right hand side, left hand side?
See, here this is equals to, and this division form going to the right hand side. So when division form going to the right hand side means like on the other side of the equals to, then this division will go and multiply like this. Okay, this is also 10 is also divided division form or the denominator. When it will go to the left hand side, this is left hand side, it will multiply like this. Understood? So 10 into 15 and this is multiplied. Now I send this to the denominator, means division form, because multiplication is there. No? So it will go and it will divide. So 3 and then 15 will cut and become 5. So 5 tens are 50. Okay guys, got it?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Everyone, any problem? Joshua has some problem. Please ask me, Joshua.
Got it, sir.
No doubt. Vidya, ask me.
No, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, you. No problem. Okay, I'll
I
give you
had
one
doubt
question.
in something.
Yeah.
I had the doubt in this question.
So now it's done or you want to ask one more time? Okay. So I'll give you one question now. Do this question. Quickly do this. Turn on the camera, everyone. Here is the equation. Now, guys, here is no number situation came. Okay, so you can see here that the digit at tens place. Everyone, please see on the board. Don't make any number. Don't. We are not making 10x plus 10y because why? Because can you read the question? The read if you read the question, the digit at 10 place of a two-digit number is two more than the twice of the digit at the unit place. They are talking about digit, not a number. So digit, I'm taking tens place as y and ones place as x. So now digit is same. Okay, so digit is, at tens place is y, is means equals to two more than means two plus, and twice means two multiply the digit and unit place, which is x. So this is the first equation. And the second equation says the product of the digit is 24, the product multiplication. So here no number formation is there. Means no number formation means there is no 10x plus y or 10y plus x situation is there. Understood, guys? You are not paying attention. Did you understand?
Understood, sir.
Okay, so that's why I didn't make any number here. I just simply saw. I'm just simply solving it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So everyone got this equation only?
Yes. Yes, sir. Same question.
Okay. Jashon, you got the same equation?
Yes, sir, but why do we have to divide it by 2?
Because I have to make simplification, like 2x plus 2x square plus 24. So I can see each term is divisible by 2. So that the calculation be easy for you. That's why I divided by 2. Simple as that. Joshua has some problem. Please ask me.
No, sir, I was trying the other method, the with the number, but then it was a digit method.
Okay,
Now
okay.
I understand.
Quickly do it and find the value of x and y. Send it to me in the chat. I'm coming.
Done, sir. Done.
Good. Good. Yeah. Done? Everyone got the value of x and y?
No, one
Yes.
second.
Jushan, what's yeah. So Jushan and Abigail, everyone got two values. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 4. So when it is said that you have to make the number, we will not take the minus value, but we will take the plus value, which is 3. Okay, so I will take x is equals to 3. And if I will put value of x into this S3, so y is equals to 2 plus 2 into 3. So y is equals to 2 plus 6. So y is equals to 8. So I got the number 83. So you have to write this line also. Number is 83. Like this, you have to write the line. I will not take the minus number. I will take the plus sign and then I will solve it and I will get this. Did you understand, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir, I understood.
I'll give you one more question. Solve this quickly. ये पत्ते 11 बजे आएगा हाँ है भाई दिखाओ मुझे कहाँ है दिखे कुछ yeah. Turn on the camera, please. Don't play with your camera. But yeah, what's the answer? I want answer from you now.
I'm still solving, sorry.
So where you got stuck? Tell me. If you're not asking me out, then how will I know that you are getting or not?
Didn't get stuck. I'm just still solving it.
Are you getting the same equation?
Yes, sir.
Good. Everyone, Joshua, you're getting same equation or not?
So I got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. And Simeon?
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah. Yes, Edric. You're saying something.
got the answer, sir.
Good. Send it to me, please.
Sir, can I just flip my camera and ask you if this step I did is correct?
Yeah. I'll check.
This from this side, if this is that correct?
Okay, you. And where is the denominator 4?
I took it out comments.
Then in denominator it's 16, no? It's not 4. No, it's not correct. It's not correct. Why it's not correct? You can see, like if you will in the above step,
Yeah.
so when you will square the denominator, so what it will become? 16, no?
I haven't squared it yet, sir. The
So
square.
even if you didn't square it, but it's in the bracket of the square, no? You have to square it. It's in the bracket. The denominator is in the bracket of square, no?
Okay, so can I just square this whole thing, or should it be a square plus b square minus 2ab?
No, you take out common as 4. First of all, you can't do it right now. If it is a bracket of square, you can't take out common and all this thing. Okay. So you have to either solve it before, like I solved here. You can see. Okay. Like here, either you can solve or you have to open the bracket and then solve.
Okay. So if I want to open this bracket, I have to do, can I just multiply it into 36, 4 and 4? Or I have to do that a minus b whole square formula?
A minus B whole square formula. Proper.
Okay.
Okay.
So plus 40. So plus 40.
This is the equation. Did you understand, guys?
Sir,
Yeah.
how did you get 2y?
Because
2y.
y square and y square. Y square and y square. I open this bracket, it is a minus b whole square, so it is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and the y square was already there and 41 was already there. So I add the y square and y square, it becomes 2y square. You got the answer? Hmm. Okay. So now we'll stop our maths class. We have completed this chapter, and the next Friday, I'm repeating now only. Next Friday means 7/23. On 23 May, there will be test of this chapter. Okay. So you have time till 22. Yes, Jashon.
But sir, how do you put this equation into the question and get the answer?
Yeah, in this there will be two values because both values are available for the answer. Na? So in this, there are two values are there. So you can put any value, you will get the answer in this equation. Okay. So I'm repeating again. On Friday, there'll be test 23. There'll be test of this chapter. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off to Shabakir, Abigail, and Simeon. Now you guys have 4 minutes. Then we'll start our science class.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Okay, guys, come back. Come back. Everyone, come back. Okay. So we'll start one question. You have to solve this. Everyone, turn on your camera. Write this question with me. Yeah, in maths, there will no homework.
So math, no homework?
Yeah. Okay. Tristan, turn on your camera. Joshua, turn on your camera, please. Okay, this is the question, guys. Calculate the gravitational force between the mass of body. This and this are body kept 3 meters apart. So everyone solve this question quickly. Tristan, Jehovah, did you understand this question? Quickly solve this. This is the answer. Jahan, are you right?
Yes, sir. However, I tried to solve this even further.
Okay, okay. So I mean, you have to divide it. You have to solve it further. Also. Like you have to divide it and find the decimal precision. So Joshua, you got it? How I did this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone, please, if you didn't understand, ask me. Hello. Okay, I'm raising this. Okay, so we are doing the gravitation part and we did this thing. Now we'll learn about acceleration due to gravity. Okay, listen, guys. So, acceleration due to gravity means now we know that there is a gravitational force is there, and because of that force, the gravity is pulling the things in downward direction because gravitational force is too huge. The force of gravitation is too huge that it's pulling towards the Earth. So there, this that create an acceleration. For example, this is the key. Can you see the key? Yes. Now, if I will drop it, right now it has rest. Okay. If I will drop it, then will the key will get velocity or the speed? Will it get no? When I will drop it, so when I drop it, it gets some into the speed. So we learned that acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? Right now, when car is at rest, Papa used to put a pedal on the acceleration, which is responsible for the change in speed. Okay. For example, for example, Papa is driving at 60 speed, and then everyone's sleeping. And then if somebody says, please increase the speed. Okay. Then Papa will just put the feet on the
Accelerator.
acceleration and the speed will increase. Yes. So
Yes.
if acceleration is there, then speed will increase. So I want to ask one question. If acceleration is there, then will the speed will decrease?
Huh?
It's deacceleration, right?
Yes, it's called as deceleration or retardation. So basically, because of acceleration, speed increases. Because of acceleration, speed decreases also. So acceleration is the phenomenon, or we can say it's a value which is responsible for the increase and decrease of the speed. So can I get one example of deceleration or the negative acceleration, which is responsible for the slowdown of the car? So can you give me one example of that? Anybody? That how deceleration is
Sir,
possible?
braking. Sir, brake. Put the brake.
Yes. So
A
when you
car
are
crash.
putting brake, sorry,
The car crashes, instantly
the
stops.
car crashes. So it's very violent example, but it's example that car crashes, then it just stops. So because of the de-acceleration or the brake is a good example. Okay, it's a non-violence example. So in which if you will put a brake into the cycle, then what will happen? The brake will slowly will decrease. But in the case of girls, it is not possible because girls use their feet to stop the cycle or the scooty. I have one experiences that I saw one video in which the girl went to the gear mechanic and she's saying that, Baya, the brakes are not working. Every time I have to buy new shoes. So so gear mechanic said, oh, the brakes are good. It's in full condition. It's like a new, brand new. So I said, no, Bhaiya, you don't know. Every time I stop, every time I have to, like my feet, my sandals get destroyed. I have to buy a new sandal every time. I said, okay, how you drive? Show me. So in that, she's riding scooty. Instead of putting brakes, she's just putting her legs down and to stop the vehicle. So yeah, so in case of that case, that putting feet down to stop the vehicle is also called as deceleration. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, deceleration is also responsible to stop or to reduce the speed of the vehicle. So our gravity now it's at rest. Again, I'm doing this experiment. The key is at rest. If I will stop it, if there is no acceleration, then what will happen? If there is no acceleration, then what will happen? Anybody? Edric. If there is no acceleration right now, then what will happen, Edric?
It will stop.
Yeah, the key will be like a magic. It will be in the air only. Because no acceleration, no increase or decrease in the speed, no nothing is there. But if there is an acceleration, that's why it's coming in a downward direction. So this acceleration is exerted by the earth And this is same for all the object. This is same for the all the object. Like if you will take one big elephant, then he also facing same acceleration by the earth. And if you will take small baby, 2 months baby or 20 days baby, that also having the same acceleration. Even the key and the elephant have the same acceleration exerted by the earth. Did you understand? What I'm trying to say, we saw that video in which it created a vacuum. And in that vacuum, when the force of attraction is on the feather or on the bowling ball, both have same force of attraction. That's why they both fall on the same in the same at the same time. Understood? So it's because of the same acceleration. Did you understand, guys? Yes or
Yes.
no? Okay. So our Earth exerted gravity due to acceleration, or we can say acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. And we basically take approx value as 10 meter per second square. Okay, so this is the gravitational value of a gravity. So we'll take one example. For example, if I will release this object, it what does this mean? Basically, what does this mean? I'm explaining it to you. What this number means, explaining it to you. Guys, listen. So, for example, if the value right now is zero, the velocity of this key is zero. When I will leave it, the velocity after 1 second it will be 9.8. Then and the second like 2 seconds, the velocity will be 19.6. Then third second it will again plus 9.8, means each
29.4.
second the speed each second the speed will increases by 9.8. That is basically means of acceleration. Did you understand? So you saw one reel that if you will release one sui means what is a needle from the space, then what will happen? It will be great explosion. Why? Because if it is coming from the very high layer, then we know that every time 10 meter per second square speed is increasing. Means like if it take 10 hours to reach, then it will be have a great speed, makes the great force, makes the great impact on the earth. Understood? Yes or no? Guys, did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they won't ask this thing, but only from this paragraph we got it that the acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, which is approx equals to 10 meter per second square. Now, now I want to ask one question. See, we know that V is equals to U plus AT. So basically, these are the Tree's law of equation. Okay, this is belongs to the previous chapter, but because it is not coming in your main examination, we are not doing this. But we should know these three laws of equation before learning anything else. So first is V is equals to U plus AT.
U plus AT
So
or U plus GT?
U plus AT basically, but we'll take GT. Then S is equals to UT plus half GT square, and V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. Basically, we should know these three laws of equation. Turn on a camera. This is first, and this is second, and this is third. Now listen, guys. this first, second, third. Basically, here V means that final velocity. Final velocity means velocity in the end. U stands for initial velocity. Initial velocity means velocity in the beginning. This is velocity in the end, and this is velocity at the start or the beginning. And then T stands for time. Okay, S stands for distance. Or in the case of gravity, we will take it as height. So if height is given, then we have to use S form. And A, or no, G. G stands for gravity, yeah, acceleration due to gravity, which is fixed. Acceleration due to gravity, which is fixed as 9.8 meter per second square, which is fixed. Did you understand, guys? So these are the three formulas that we should know. First is V is equals to U plus AT. Second is UT plus half AT square, GT square, and V square is equals to U square plus 2G. Now, how we will use this? So first of all, write it down, then I will explain it to you. Quickly write it down. Quickly write it down, guys. Quickly. Yeah.
So, what
Yes.
is the G? Acceleration. What is the G?
Acceleration due to gravity. G is acceleration due to gravity. Not gravity, gravity. Done? Shall I use this? Okay, now I will give you one question. So the question is, what's that question? Yeah. So we'll first do simple question, then we'll do the gravitation question. Okay. Again, everyone, please listen. This is very important question. If you didn't understand right now, then it will be very hard for you guys. So please pay attention. So we have three laws of equation. V is equals to U plus AT. The second is S is equals to UT plus half A is basically G. Okay, don't confuse in that. And V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. Okay, now everyone please listen. Please listen. Pens down. Okay. So now this is the question in which a train starts from station and achieve a speed of 20 meter per second in 10 seconds. So first of all, we have to write a column as given. So what is given? So first of all, we'll talk about the initial velocity u. So what is initial velocity, Betya, in this case? What is the initial velocity? Quickly. Initial velocity means velocity in the start. Okay, in the start of the case, what is the velocity? The train was at station and it starts. So it means that the initial velocity is
20.
no. The 20 is the velocity after the 10 seconds. So it is after velocity, which is with the v, final velocity. Understood? No. So what is the initial velocity, Jahovan?
0.
Yes, it will be 0. So why 0? Because before the starting of the case, the train was at station. So at station, it is not moving. And if it is not moving, the velocity is 0. Understood? Yes? Now, what is the final velocity? Joshua, what is the final velocity?
20 meter per second.
Perfect, 20 meter per second. What is the time taken? How much time taken to achieve the 20 meter per second? Joshua?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Okay. And one more thing. Okay. And what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration, Joshua? Please ask me. Joshua. What is the acceleration given?
I'm not sure.
It's not given. We have to find it out. So that's why it's question mark. And the same way the distance.
But A is equal to G, no? A is equal to G.
No. First, listen, we are not doing gravitation question right now. We are just doing a equation of motion question so that we can understand the concept of this, and then we'll move to the gravitation question, which is on Monday. Understood? Right now, we are doing same equation are there, but we are doing simple questions like, okay, so that we can understand how to solve it. Because it is the chapter which is not coming in your exam, but we should know how to do this. Okay, so now we have three laws of equation. Can you see the three law of equation? This is first, and this is second, and this is third. So first we have to find the acceleration. So I want to ask from Edric, which equation satisfied to get the acceleration? Which equation you will use? First, second, or third? Yes, Edric.
Acceleration.
Which equation you will use, like first equation or second equation or third equation? Which equation you will use to get the value of A, acceleration?
First equation. And
Okay,
third.
so Betty, okay, Betty, why second? Why not second? Betty, can you tell me why not second? Edric says first and third. Why not second? Okay, so if you will check in the first equation, everyone please pay attention. If you will check in the first equation, okay, we know V, we know U, and we know T. And only we have to find this A. Did you understand? Guys, did you understand what I'm trying to do? We know V, we know U, and we know T. Only this A we have to find. In the second equation, if you will use second equation, okay, we don't know S, we know U, we know T, we don't know A, and we know T. So in the second equation, because two things are unknown, S and A, both are unknown. So we can't solve it. We can't solve it. Even in the third equation, if you will check, we know V, we know U, we don't know A, and we don't know S. So both two values are given which are unknown. Guys, did you understand? Jashan, Jahovan, Edric.
But sir,
That's why we will, yeah.
We can also use the linear equation in two variables for second and third one.
Why you spend only one question in the whole science exam? If it is not given, and if you will do the linear equation in two variable by substituting and elimination, so it will take a lot of time. In that you can do 3 or 4 questions. There is the answer of that also. I am not denying that it's wrong, but it will take a lot of time to do it. Okay, and it's too complicated also. Okay, so basically that's why we are choosing first equation. But then now you got why we are using first equation, because in the first equation only one thing is unknown to us. Did you understand, guys? So we will solve the first equation first. So we know that v is equals to u plus 80. Now v is basically given as 20, u is given as 0, plus a is I have to find into time is given as 10. So it will become a into 10. So 20 is equals to 10a. Now 10 will go divide, so it become 2. So I got acceleration as 2 meter per second square. Guys, did you understand? Did you understand, guys? Jehovan, Jashon, Joshua. Now we have to find the value of s. So in the value of s, we know that here in the second equation we know t. Now we got a, which is 2. We got t, we know u, and we have to find s. So we will simply use the second equation. So by second equation, we know that s is equals to ut. U is 0, t is 10 into half a. A is basically 2. Just now we got into time is 10 square. Okay, because t square is given, so this 2 and this 2 will cut. So it will become s is equals to 10 square. S is equals to 100 meters. So it means that if the speed is like in 10 seconds, if speed he got 10-20 meters per second, then the distance covered in 10 seconds will be 100 meters. So he will cover 100 meters of the distance. Did you understand, guys? Yes, just start.
So how do we get a square soon?
Because what is the formula? T square. Basically, the formula is half AT square. Can you see that formula? T square. Okay, so T is basically 10, so it becomes 10 square. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Just on Edric, did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
If you didn't understand, please ask me. I will send this picture in the group. I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Let us show care. Sayonara.